Hello everybody, my name is Joseph Abden, and back in 2021, right before graduating law school, I met a lifelong friend and mentor, former Florida Supreme Court Justice Alan Lawson, and his wife, Julie. As his former student, and while working under him at the Florida Supreme Court, he would share with me his dedication and passion for service. One day, he offered me a life-changing invitation to join him on a service trip to Honduras. Him and Julie are a part of an organization called Esperanza, meaning my hope, and they have a vision to break intergenerational poverty and elevate the women of Honduras through self-improvement and career stability. Thanks to a collaboration with another nonprofit organization called Excel Global Outreach, who were kind enough to document this trip and share their mission with us of aiding the municipalities of Honduras, we were able to accomplish so much for the people of Honduras. First, we set up a medical brigade at a nearby school in order to offer food, water, medical, and dental care to the community. Unfortunately, due to sickness and age, many people couldn't make it to the medical brigade, so we hopped on our trucks and we went to them. Even with a truck, it was so difficult to get to these remote locations, and many of these people don't even have transportation. And once arriving, it was evident that help was needed. Seeing these experiences firsthand really moved and motivated me to make a difference. Regardless of their hardships, these people met me with nothing but smiles, hospitality, and open arms. It was an experience and lesson I'll never forget. I recall these areas being so remote that many people were just excited to have company at their home. We continued traveling through the mountains to survey remote areas on how we could provide water and better quality of life. While we were there, we would make sure to pass out food, formula, and water. We reported all of our findings to the local government and details on how to improve each family's situation. Every step, every mile, every day became more rewarding and gratifying. This trip has introduced me to people from all walks of life and given me a chance to form valuable friendships and life-changing experiences. Throughout this journey, acceptance was reciprocated on both ends, and no matter how small, the ability to impact someone's life in a positive manner goes a long way. I've truly cherished this experience, and I can't wait to be back.